Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Nomad Wireless Stand. It's a premium wireless charger that's pretty versatile, meaning that you can use it while it's laying flat or like a stand, which is really convenient. When I say it's a premium wireless charger, it also means that it has a premium price as well. Whether it's worth it is totally up to you, but keep watching and I'll help you make that decision. I'll put some links in the description if you're interested in picking up this wireless charger. Opening the box makes you feel like you just got a new phone because of the presentation. You get the wireless stand itself, some paperwork, and the charging adapter. The cable is 1.5 meters long, which should be more than enough length, and the plug can handle 110 to 240 volts, so this wireless charger is great for travel. This charger charges your phone at 7.5 watts, which is currently the max output for the iPhone 8 and newer iPhones. But Android phones with Qualcomm Quick Charge can charge at a max output of 10 watts, which means that Android phones won't be charging at the fastest speed. That's okay for me though, because I disable fast wireless charging to prolong the life of my phone's battery. If you want fast charging, you should be using a cable anyways. The main wireless charger, excluding the power adapter, is two pieces: the wireless charger itself and the stand. The aluminum stand can be stored on the back of the wireless charger to make it more portable for travel, or to have a charging pad instead of a charging stand. To make the wireless charger stand up, just attach the aluminum stand on the back and slide the rubber side into the slot first. The thin rubber layer helps prevent the phone from slipping, and it won't scratch your device as well. The build quality and design is top notch with the speaker. The part that your phone rests on is made out of Horween leather, and the kickstand is aluminum. My phone gets a little warm when doing wireless charging, which is normal, but it never gets hot with this charger. Of course, the phone stops charging when the battery is full, so I can leave my phone on the wireless stand overnight to act as a clock paired with my Note 8's always on display. There is a cable notch, I guess you could call it, so that it won't get in the way when you're using the wireless stand in charging pad mode. The rubber feet are also very well designed. When in charging pad mode, the kickstand is the main rubber foot, while the hard rubber towards the outside help prevent it from sliding as well. In charging stand mode, the same rubber foot comes into play as well on the kickstand, as well as the same hard rubber, which is genius. This thing is definitely built to last. It's durable but doesn't have that rugged look, if you know what I mean. It's sleek, good looking, and functional. I mostly use this wireless charger in stand mode. It's much more easier for me to charge my device because I can just plop my phone on there and it'll start charging. When it's in charging pad mode, it just looks a little off-centered when you charge your phone because your phone hangs off the top edge. That's because the charging coils are placed towards the top, I believe. If charging your phone like this messes with your OCD, I recommend just keeping it in charging stand mode. Oh, and if you're wondering if the Nomad Wireless Stand works with cases, it does. Just make sure it isn't too thick though. The one and only downside or flaw in the design, in my opinion, is the power adapter. The input isn't exactly proprietary, but it's not exactly a common plug either. I would have loved it if it were a USB Type-C port or even a micro USB port for convenience. I usually keep mine by my bed, so it doesn't matter to me that much. However, if you travel light, I'm not sure if you would want to carry an extra adapter just to use a wireless charger. Again, it's totally up to you. Personally, I'm bringing this wireless charger with me on my next vacation because the adapter is small enough for me. Overall, the Nomad Wireless Stand is a super solid wireless charger to get. You do have to pay a premium price to get it, but you do get a premium product in return, and I think it's very worth it if you have the money. It's built very well with high quality materials, has a well thought out design, and it's very versatile. If you don't mind the somewhat uncommon power adapter and higher than average price point, then I highly recommend the Nomad Wireless Stand. As always, I'll leave links in the description if you're interested. That was my review of the Nomad Wireless Stand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!